Today's featured SUV slash pickup truck is a 1964 Chevrolet Suburban, a restored one that I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And this one was definitely a good looker. Somebody had spent a lot of time and money on it, making it what you see in the pictures and video here. And it was definitely neat looking with its two-tone paint. Only two doors on early Suburbans, plus the back hatch, tailgate, whatever you want to call it. And not sure what the engine was in it. They only came with 6 cylinders in 64. So I imagine somebody probably upgraded it to a V8, probably a 327 or a 350. And it had an automatic transmission, I noticed. It had a shift on the column, an automatic. So that we do know. But it looks like it was restored back to stock, better than stock, with the stock wheel covers, and someone put trim rings on it and wide white walls on it. So it was definitely a nice cruiser to take to the beach or take for a drive to a cruise like this guy did. This guy was part of the 5th generation, which went from 1960 through 1966. But anyway, that's today's featured SUV slash pickup truck, 1964 Chevrolet Suburban that I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.